Welcome everybody to today's video. Here we are currently at a place that I've actually never filmed before at Simmos Beach. Simmos Beach is located on the Georges River, the reserve, which was officially opened in 1986. Is named after Bob Simmons, a past resident who mined sand adjacent to the Georges River for a number of years. The reserve's extensive areas of bushland, proximity to the river and connectivity with the Georges River Regional Open Space. Simmos Walking Trail various tracks ranging from 500 metres to 1.5 kilometres return walks.